Hey, English learners, welcome back to Everyday English Lab, your cozy place for real English, natural conversations, and daily fluency practice. I'm Joe, and today we are talking about something fun, practical, and honestly, very delicious fast food vocabulary. Yes, burgers, fries, milkshakes, drive-thrus, takeout, combo meals. All those words you hear in movies, TV shows, YouTube videos, and real-life conversations. If you travel abroad, watch American shows, or even order food online, this vocabulary is everywhere, and today we are going to practice it together in slow, clear, natural English. So grab a coffee, relax, and let's improve your English together. What is fast food? First, let's start with the basics. Fast food is food that is prepared quickly and served quickly. Usually, people buy fast food when they don't have time to cook, feel hungry outside, want something cheap, or simply want something tasty. Some common fast food restaurants are burger restaurants, pizza places, fried chicken restaurants, sandwich shops, taco restaurants, and coffee chains. Fast food is popular all over the world. Now let's learn the most important vocabulary. Basic fast food vocabulary. Burger. A burger is one of the most common fast foods. Example, I ordered a cheeseburger. A cheeseburger is a burger with cheese. You can also hear double burger, chicken burger, bacon burger, veggie burger. Example, Fouts. My friend ordered a double bacon burger. Fries. In American English, we say fries. In British English, many people say chips. Example, can I get large fries? You can have small fries, medium fries, large fries, curly fries, spicy fries. Soda. A soda is a sweet, soft drink. For example, Coke, Pepsi, Sprite, Fanta. Example, I'd like a burger, fries, and a soda. Some Americans also say soft drink, pop, or Coke. Milkshake. A milkshake is a cold, sweet drink made with milk and ice cream. Common flavors, chocolate, vanilla, strawberry. Example, she ordered a chocolate milkshake. Nuggets. Chicken nuggets are small pieces of fried chicken. Very popular, especially with kids. Example, my little brother loves chicken nuggets. Combo meal. A combo meal means food sold together as a package. Usually burger, fries, and drink. Example, I'll take the combo meal. This is extremely common English, ordering food. Now let's practice useful expressions for ordering fast food. These phrases are very important in real life. Can I get? This is one of the most natural ways to order food. Example, can I get a cheeseburger? Can I get medium fries? Can I get a Coke? Very natural, very common. This sounds slightly more polite. Example, I'd like a chicken sandwich. I'd like a large soda. For here or to go? This is a very common question. For here means you will eat inside the restaurant. To go means takeaway. Some countries also say takeout. Example, 2 burgers to go, please. Anything else? Workers often ask, anything else? Meaning, do you want more food? You can answer, that's all. No thanks. Yes, can I also get fries? Sizes and portions. Fast food restaurants often ask about size. For example, small, medium, large. Example, and so, what size drink would you like? You can answer, medium, please. Some restaurants even have extra large, family size, jumbo size. Drive-thru vocabulary. Now let's talk about the drive-thru. A drive-thru is when you order food from your car. Very common in America. You drive to a speaker, order food, then pick it up at a window. Useful phrases. I'm at the drive-thru. Can I get 2 burgers and fries? Please pull forward. Your total is $10. Common fast food items. Let's learn more food vocabulary. Sandwich. Example, I ordered a chicken sandwich. Fried chicken. Very popular around the world. Examples. We bought fried chicken for dinner. Dessert vocabulary. Fast food restaurants also sell desserts. Ice cream example. The kids want ice cream. Sundae. A sundae is ice cream with toppings. For example, chocolate syrup, caramel, nuts, strawberries. Example. I ordered a hot fudge sundae. Apple pie. Many fast food restaurants sell small apple pies. Example. He bought an apple pie and coffee. Useful real-life conversation. Now let's listen to a natural conversation.
Hi, can I get a cheeseburger combo meal?
Sure, what size fries and drink?
Medium fries and a large Coke.
Anything else?
Yes, 6 chicken nugget.
For here or to go?
To go, please.
Your total is $12.
Thank you.
This is very realistic English. Simple, natural, useful. Important expressions. Now let's practice some common expressions people use when talking about fast food in some. I'm starving. This means I'm very hungry. Example, I'm starving, let's get burgers. Grab a bite. This means eat something quickly. Example, let's grab a bite after work. Cheat meal. A cheat meal is unhealthy food people eat while taking a break from dieting. Example, pizza is my favorite cheat meal. Late night snack. Food eaten late at night. Example, we got tacos as a late night snack. Coffee shop vocabulary. Many fast food places also sell coffee. Useful words, latte, cappuccino, espresso, iced coffee. Example, I usually order iced coffee in summer. Cultural note. In English-speaking countries, fast food culture is very common. People often eat in cars, order online, use food delivery apps, or eat quickly during work breaks. That's why this vocabulary is so useful. You will hear it everywhere, in movies, on TikTok, in YouTube videos, while traveling, even in video games. Pronunciation practice. Let's practice together slowly. Repeat after me. Cheeseburger, French fries, combo meal, milkshake, drive-thru, takeout, chicken nuggets, soft drink. Apple pie, great job. Practice challenge. Here's your challenge for today. Pretend you are ordering fast food in English. Try saying, hi, can I get a chicken burger combo meal with large fries and a Coke to go? Practice it several times. Slowly first, then naturally. You can even record yourself. And that's all for today's episode of Everyday English Lab. I'm Joe, and I hope this episode helped you learn useful fast food vocabulary for real-life English conversations. Remember, small daily practice creates big improvement. Keep listening, keep speaking, and keep building your English every day. Thanks for spending time with me today, and I'll see you in the next episode of Everyday English Lab. Bye, everyone.